Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for the Day, I want to talk about something that a lot of people don't like talking about. It has to do with your septic tank or sewage disposal. I get my tongue untied here. Now, if you have a septic tank, you know that your septic tank, works only because there's certain bacteria and enzymes in there that breaks down the solids and allows it to be totally broken down into particles that flow on out and through the leach field and leach out of the pipes into the ground and be there for the worms to go, ooh, food, and the worms take care of it. Now, some of you are going to be going, well, I'm on a sewer system, city sewer system. I don't have to worry about that. Bull pucky. I should say when, not if, but when a collapse happens and there's no more city sewer, no one down at the treatment plant taking care of treating the stuff and processing it, you're going to need to put in a septic tank, even in the city. And some people are going to go, well, I'm uphill, I'll just keep using it, let it flush on down and just, go down wherever it goes to and I don't care. Well, after a while, it's going to start backing up and backing up and backing up and backing up. And no telling, you may have some people downhill from you realizing all this crap is coming from uphill. They're just going to pop open a manhole and they're going to drop some sandbags in there and then a bunch of dirt on top of it to plug it up so that it's not coming downhill towards them. In any case, you're going to wind up needing to put in some sort of septic system yourself, even if it is a pit toilet in the backyard. And somebody are going to say, well, a pit toilet, I'll just wait till it's full and then I'll just cover it up with dirt, move it, and dig another hole. Well, the problem is, with all that solids in there, you can get a lot of disease building up in it if it's not taken care of. So if you're able to take care of the solids with enzymes and bacteria needed to break it down, then when you do fill it in, it's going to be all broken down, ready. You don't have to worry about any diseases coming out, breeding in there and coming out of it, and it's safe for you to go on to your next hole. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about adding some of these products you can get, like Rid-X and some of the other ones that add enzymes and stuff to the septic system to get it to work right so that you don't have problems. So even if you're on a city sewer, get a container and leave it sealed. Don't pop it. Well, what's it like? Let's see what it is. Pop it open and look at it and stuff. Leave it with a solid seal on it so everything's kept in there nice, safe, and everything else. Just keep it on the shelf until you need it. All right? So before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound. There are some great preparedness videos over there. I'm going to put a link to a video over here that will help you get you prepared. Why? Well, this is why.